Welcome back everyone. So आज हामी अर्को short story पढ्न गइरहेका छौं, A Very Old Man with Enormous Wings, written by Gabriel García Márquez. So उहाँ चाहिँ को हुनुहुन्छ भने he writes about magic realism. So उहाँले चाहिँ magic र realistic events लाई join गरेर आफ्नो स्टोरीहरु बनाउनुहुन्छ. So let's talk about this story now. अब यो स्टोरीले चाहिँ केको कुरा गर्छ भने the story talks about a poor family. So basically family चाहिँ Pelayo र Elisenda को. So his family is suffering in rain for like 3 days and they also have a sick child. And on the third day of the rain, तिनीहरुको घरमा crabहरु पस्न थाल्छ and then they have no way out. त्यसपछि तिनीहरुले के गर्छ भने त्यो crabहरुलाई मारेर त्यसलाई ओशनमा फाल्न जान्छ. So when Pelayo goes to throw the crabs, while he was coming back, Pelayo hears a noisy sound आफ्नो courtyard मा सुन्छ and then he goes to check it out कि के हो भनेर एउटा noise आएपछि. So त्यो noise लाई चेक गर्दा he finds out कि उहाँले एउटा old man लाई हेर्छ facing the mud with enormous wings. Like he has got wings and the old man was making some noise. त्यो हेरेर चाहिँ Pelayo was a bit scared, so what he does is he calls his wife, Elisenda लाई बोलाउँछ and भन्छ. After a while, when everything was good अनि त्यो old man पनि उठ्छ, they decide to talk to him. तर बोल्न जाँदा the old man has a different language. त्यो चाहिँ एकदमै strange हुन्छ Pelayo र Elisenda को लागि, so they cannot understand कि त्यो old man ले के भन्न खोजिरहेको छ. त्यो बुझ्दैन, त्यही भएर they called their neighboring lady. अब तिनीहरुले आफ्नो neighboring lady लाई बोलाउँदाखेरि the lady actually says that this is an angel who came to take away your sick child. So the lady says that old man might be an angel who came to take their sick child because their child was really sick and तिनीहरुको like घर पनि राम्रो थिएन, continuously पानी परेको. They were basically struggling and suffering. After that they waited till evening, like दिउँसोतिर सम्म wait गर्यो कि what happens to the man, and त्यसपछि they decided to lock him in the hen's chicken coop and they called Father Gonzaga. So they called Father Gonzaga to just take away the spell or whatever it is. किनभने तिनीहरु पनि sure थिएन नि त कि त्यो angel नै हो कि हैन भनेर. So they call the father and then the father sees the angel. So after that, Elisenda decides that they should just start charging everybody for seeing the angel. किनभने यो कुरा चाहिँ एकदमै like fast speed मा फैलिन्छ तिनीहरुको neighborhood मा कि there is an angel coming to the house. There is an angel भनेर. So सबैजना चाहिँ enthusiast भएर curious भएर त्यो angel लाई हेर्न आउँछ. So what Elisenda does is she starts charging 5 cents for everyone to see the angel, and then they find out that there are very curious visitors and there are a lot of people who want to see the angel. अनि त्यो visitor आउँदाखेरि त्यो visitorहरुले angelलाई पिट्न नि खोजेको थियो. They even tried mocking him up with stones, pebbles. They were throwing stones and pebbles on them. They were continuously teasing him. अनि तर the angel just flapped his wings and then just put everybody away from him. After this, when the visitors were coming and coming, there was another story in the town that somebody has casted spell on a girl, on a woman, and she's turned into a spider. Though the price for seeing her was low, still Pelayo र Elisenda सँग enough money थियो that they can built a 2-story house जसमा crabहरु पनि आउँदैन थियो और कुनै angelहरु आउँदैन थियो. So they had enough money and अब चाहिँ they just wanted the old man to leave किनभने several months passed and they didn't know कि what do we do with the old man, किनभने त्यो old man लाई के खुवाउने हो त्यो पनि थाहा थिएन, त्यो old man ले के भन्छ त्यो पनि थाहा थिएन. And there was just so strange things happening, so they just wanted the old man to live. And during the winters को बेलामा चाहिँ they thought that the old man cannot survive and he will pass away. तर surprisingly the old man survived the winter and he was getting more energetic And one day when Elisinda was just sitting in her kitchen, she saw the old man flying away from her courtyard, and finally she was happy किनभने एन्जल चाहिँ अब गइसकेको थियो, तिनीहरू अब स्टेबल पनि थियो, तिनीहरूसँग पैसा पनि थियो, and they were even able to build the house, and their sick child was also healthy and back किनभने when the angel came, their sick child was recovering. So they actually liked the presence of old man, but at some point of time they wanted him to leave. And that's it for the story, and it's just about the magical realism in which the writer actually tried making magic, forming magic in the realistic events, and that's it. Thank you.